In this video, you will learn how to check the status of Moneygram. To check the status of Moneygram, visit the Moneygram website, then select Track a Transfer. You can find the option on the homepage or under the Help Support section. Enter the required details. You will need to provide a reference number, which will be given in the transfer is sent, or other required details, such as the receiver's information, to check the status of the transfer. Using the Moneygram app. Moneygram has a mobile app for both Android and iOS devices that you use to track a transfer. Download the Moneygram app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then sign in using your credentials and enter the transfer details, such as the reference number and any other requested information. Call customer service. If you can't access the website, you can call customer service for assistance. Customers have a phone line, so call it. Provide the reference number, sender's name and receiver's name to the teller on the phone, and they can help you. Visit the Moneygram location. You can also visit a Moneygram location to check the status of a transfer. Bring the reference number and any relevant details to get the assistance from the customer service representative. Check for delivery. Once the transfer status is checked, you should be able to see whether your money has been received by the recipient and whether it's still in progress or is there any issues with your transaction. These options should help you check your status of your Moneygram transfer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.